Pure Food and Drug Act will help to eradicate the usage of false propaganda and claims made on food products, such as this cocaine tooth drops advertisement. The proper handling of meat is essential to avoid incidents like an outbreak of illness in soldiers during the Spanish-American War, due to the way the meat was packed. As you can see, the meat was stored in very unsanitary conditions. Vote for me, vote for the Pure Food and Drug Act, vote for your President Theodore Roosevelt, so you have control over what you put in your body.
Do you want to be drinking watery milk that is thinned out by sawdust machines? Do you want to be spreading moldy apples on your bread that are disguised as strawberry jam? Consumers need to be wary of the fact that industrialization has resulted in most manufacturers falsely labeling food products, making ingenuine claims, and contaminating food. Mass production of food has decreased the quality. Machines are adding undesirable fillers and substances to our food just so companies can flourish and corporate titans can add to the economic empire. The federal government prioritizes lots of other things before food safety, so much of the power is given to state and local authorities. Loosely regulated factories and flexible rules have become the norm, and food safety is not being given its proper importance. Not only is food being contaminated and mishandled, medicines and drugs are also being quite unadulterated. According to Samuel Hopkins of Collier's Weekly, many people in the medical field claim that harmful materials such as alcohol, opiates, and intoxicating substances are leaching into many of our medicines and remedies. These toxins can have a very detrimental effect on the body. So instead of being healed by medicines, some Americans are actually doing their body a disservice by taking medicines due to the lack of vigilance by large manufacturers of the drugs. During the Spanish-American War, many American soldiers were inflicted by illness due to rancid meat sent by meatpacking companies. Soldiers were not being afflicted by war. Ironically, they were being hurt by food produced by the country they were actually fighting for. State laws are not stringent enough and only regulate products produced and sold within the state. In other words, they do not account for food or drugs produced within a state and then sold in other parts of the country. Producers and manufacturers are able to conceal the changes they have made to certain food products by utilizing new chemicals that alter the taste and appearance of many products, making their creations quite deceptive. Lives can be ruined and bodies can break down at an early age because of the harsh substances that are casually being inserted into our daily diet. No one should be able to control what we are putting in our bodies.